Welcome to Quick Speak Q&A. Today, we're learning how to avoid common English mistakes at work. Let's go.
Is it correct to say, I have doubt?
No. Say, I have a question.
Can I say, I need a help?
No. Say, I need help.
Is I didn't understood correct?
No. Say, I didn't understand.
Should I say, I have many works?
No. Say, I have a lot of work.
Can I say, I am agree?
No. Say, I agree.
Is I am boring correct?
No. Say, I am bored.
Can I say, I will back soon?
No. Say, I will be back soon.
Is I'm waiting your answer correct?
No. Say, waiting for your answer.
Can I say, explain me this?
No. Say, explain this to me.
Is I'm working in home correct?
No. Say, working from home.
Should I say, I will discuss about this?
No. Say, discuss this.
Can I say, she don't know?
No. Say, she doesn't know.
Is he have experience correct?
No. Say, he has experience.
Can I say, I have 25 years?
No. Say, I am 25 years old.
Is more better correct?
No. Say, better.
Should I say, in 2 hours later?
No. Say, in 2 hours.
Can I say, I'm in lunch?
No. Say, I'm at lunch.
Is I'm waiting you correct?
No. Say, waiting for you.
Should I say, depend of?
No. Say, depend on.
Can I say, I will do a call?
No. Say, make a call.
Is I returned back correct?
No. Say, I returned.
Should I say, I'm with doubt?
No. Say, I'm not sure.
Can I say, please revert back?
No. Say, please reply.
Is more fast correct?
No. Say, faster.
Should I say, I need to do a question?
No. Say, ask a question.
Can I say, I will send for you?
No. Say, send it to you.
Is I didn't saw correct?
No. Say, I didn't see.
Can I say, there have many problems?
No. Say, there are many problems.
Is we are 5 in the team, correct?
Yes. It's correct.
Can I say I will take a note?
Yes. But make a note is better.
Is I am interesting in this project, correct?
No. Say interested in.
Can I say I will inform you when I will finish?
No. Use one will.
Is he is married with Anna, correct?
No. Say married to.
Should I say I'm waiting your feedback?
No. Say waiting for your feedback.
Is I will late, correct?
No. Say I will be late.
Can I say we need follow the rules?
No. Say need to follow.
Is I need to take a decision, correct?
It's okay, but make a decision is better.
Should I say less people?
No. Say fewer people.
Can I say I'm good in Excel?
No. Say good at Excel.
Is he don't work today, correct?
No. Say he doesn't work today.
Can I say I finished my works?
No. Say my tasks.
Is I will answer you later, correct?
Yes. It's correct.
Should I say in vacations?
No. Say on vacation.
Can I say I'm working since morning?
No. Say since this morning.
Is I will send you later, correct?
Yes.
Should I say I will do a report?
Write a report is better.
Can I say I'm looking forward to meet you?
No. Say to meeting you.
Is he's responsible of this, correct?
No. Say responsible for.
Can I say we are agree?
No. Say we agree.
Is I didn't made it, correct?
No. Say I didn't make it.
Should I say advices?
No. Advice is uncountable.
Can I say equipments?
No. Say equipment.
Is I have many informations, correct?
No. Say information.
Should I say I have a good news?
No. Say good news.
Can I say I'm in the office since 2 hours?
No. Say for 2 hours.
Is open the light, correct?
No. Say turn on the light.
Can I say close the computer?
No. Say, shut down the computer.
Is I will send the email in the morning tomorrow, correct?
No. Say, tomorrow morning.
Should I say I didn't went?
No. Say, I didn't go.
Can I say I'm very confused?
No. Say, confused.